Hey, it's Matt from Old Yankee. I'm up at Millworks Hot Rod today, checking out Chris's project. This car's got a lot of Old Yankee parts on it, and I'm going to show you what's on it. So starting with the front end, we got one of our reverse eye main leafs on the front end here. We have our F1 brackets or shims. So the stainless piece right here, and then the inner piece, this adapts your F1 steering box to your Model A frame. Around back, a couple different parts. So number one, we got a reverse eye main leaf. Then we have our spring over perches, and we also have the spacers, which I'm gonna try to get closer right here. These spacers are specific if you're gonna use a Lincoln style brake. With the Lincoln brake, it actually puts the wheel cylinder too close to the spring over perch, so you need that little spacer to bring it in so you can run your brake line without any interference. And then the big one on this car is it's got our AV8 kit, which you've probably heard about, maybe you've seen it. So what this allows you to do is take your 37 to 52 Ford Flathead and adapt it into a Model A using a 35 to 39 transmission. So you can see the pedal set up here, which uses your stock Model A pedals, both clutch and brake. And as we go underneath here, you can see dual master cylinder setup. So this kit comes complete with the pedal assembly, the wishbone mount, which you can see down here below, the transmission mount, which is right here, and our motor mounts, which are both bolt-on or weld-on. In Chris's case, he chose to do weld-on, you can see here. So a lot of Old Yankee parts on this car. Really excited to see this car come together. This car's got a bit of history with me as well, so really happy to see it get built. Check us out on millworkshotrod.com. Hit the link up above. Thanks for stopping by, checking out this project.